Good morning, this is Doug from Vermont Hoyas, and I was doing some repotting this morning, and all of a sudden I thought, well, this is a tip I could share with everyone, and this isn't just good for Hoyas, this is good for any houseplant. I wish I had known about this years ago, and the only reason I do is I happen to watch a show on Netflix, British gardening show, and I think the guy's name was Monty, but he was repotting some plants outside, and he showed this little trick which all of a sudden something clicked in my brain and thought, oh, this would be fantastic for Hoyas. I'm going to show you on this Onychoides Hoya, but where it would really become extremely handy is like when you have a lot of small leaves on the bottom and it's very tough to put soil in around it without destroying your plant and losing a lot of leaves around the edge and trying to push the soil in around. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So what you do is you take your soil, put it in there, then you take a pot of the exact same size as the one that you're going to repot, and you put it inside of this pot here. And all you do is you fill in around it with soil all the way around, and you pack it in. Now I'm going to show you one that I've already done to save a little bit of time here. You can see there's a pot inside of the pot, and then after this is all nice and packed down around, you pull this inner pot out, and what you have is an absolutely beautiful, perfect spot of the exact size to pop the new plant in. Now I'm going to take this plant here, and hopefully it will come out of the pot. And we'll see here. It might not come out that easy because it's been, like I say, it needs repotting. Working on it here. Squeeze all around the pot. Get that thing out. No wonder it dries out so quickly. I think we're getting it. Okay, there we go. There's your root ball, and then you put that right down in there in the hole, and you are all set. So there's none of this trying to push soil in all the way around the plant. You're already set with it. Once again, it's not that big of a deal on a plant like this because there's plenty of space on the bottom, but the ones that have leaves all over here, they've given me problems over the years with that to repot. But look how beautiful that is. And it's already done. So that's my potting hint for Hoyas and any other houseplants, and I'll be back really soon with more tips and great Hoyas to show you. Thank you.